Hey everybody, this is Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Got a beautiful Viper Blue 389 flat top, extended hood, 72-inch flat top. It's got a Cummins X15, 565 horse, 2050 foot-pounds of torque. And don't have much sun right now, but you can kind of see the Viper Blue, real fine metal flake. Got the Phoenix lights on it. Polished stainless steel. All our sealed connectors, weatherproof. It's got S-bar heater. We replaced the lights in the back with LEDs and then put a little visor on the back window. With a logger style radio antenna there on the left, and center back of cab CB antenna. So it kind of cleans up the cab, makes it look really nice, so we don't have a bunch of stuff hanging on the mirrors. This one's a 280-inch wheelbase, the polished stainless steel def tank cover. I think we got a 100-gallon tank on this side and a 150 on the other. The toolbox, deck plate, and I believe it's a 36-inch air slide. Hodgebuilt half fenders, Peterbilt wheels, 11R 22.5 tires, and I believe on this one, yeah, we did disc brakes all the way around on this one. We got Peterbilt Low Air Leaf suspension. Back. And then this one is sold. It's sold. I won't give you his full name, but his first name's Robert. Hauling fuel on the western slope. And he did a polished stainless steel light bar on the rear. With the Peterbilt holes on all the aluminum wheels. These have got Bridgestone M726 tires, 726 ELAs, 150-gallon tank. All LED lights. I believe on this one we did air ride steer axle. Let's take a look. Yes, we did. So we got an full air ride steer axle. It really takes away a lot of the vibration and harshness from the road. So the Cummins turbo side of the Cummins X15. Love this blue. It's just such a classic color. Just gorgeous. I wish we had a little better sun right now, but. With the Davco fuel filter, and it's heated. There's the air ride. And we got disc brakes and a steer axle as well. And the remote lube. We'll take you inside here. This one's got the platinum interior in Arctic gray. Did the SEARS 80 seats. We didn't do a whole lot of paint and everything on this truck. Just a very classic Peterbilt look. Full gauges. Very classic. CB, factory installed. AM, FM, Bluetooth, CD player, 18 speed. This one has 336 gears. Black SEARS 80 seats. We'll step back in here. The rear window out the back. And turn around here. We got our S-bar heater, bunk heater. Couple of lights, got a hang-up closet, another closet here with a business center in it, and that's kind of the view from the bunk. And that's the view from the driver's seat. I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at this. It's Keith Couch, Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Robert, you got a beautiful truck. Absolutely gorgeous. I took it down and got some fuel in it, and pretty much turned heads all over the place down there. So everybody loved it. Lots of looks. So thank you for watching. It's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Thank you.